Hey folks, ET here, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about whale targets, where to find them, different spots, kind of where they're derived from, and kind of give you just a little bit of information, help simplify things a little bit for you. So first thing, if you're on the web and you want to see the whale targets, you want to paint them easily, come here, click on charts, then type in the ticker that you want to do. When that is brought up, you come here and then you look for price levels, and then you click whale targets, and that's going to bring up your targets for you. So right here you can see 610, 606, 590 is the range really we've been trading in. We talked about that this morning, basically every morning. So this is the range we've been trading in, and these are our whale targets. So pretty simple. You want to keep an eye on those targets. That's how you get there on the web. But now we're going to jump into a different spot. These are where they're derived from. So if you see that 610 and that 590 we were talking about, we'll look up here. An upper level pulling towards the upside is going to be your upper whale target. And then a lower level pulling towards the downside is going to be that lower whale target that you see. Here's something interesting that we've been looking at in the Discord a lot lately. And thank you to Chetta Freeze for showing us and kind of studying this with us and posting every day. Now I'm going to take a stab at it myself in a very simplistic manner. So this is our overall, and this is what we're going to see here once again. Okay, but if you want to drill down into today, we can do that. So scroll up, click your expiration date, choose your date, and then we get to see a little bit different view. You get to see what's happening just today for those whale targets. So here is a lower level that's up top, right? So we would consider that somewhat supportive. If this is an upper level up top, that would be something that we would think that would be pulled towards. A lower level, 603, as you can see here, was pulling down. That is a bearish pull down towards price right there. So really simply, that 603 dip we saw happened today because this continued to move down over and over and over again. If we would have gotten all the way down to 600, since it's a lower level that's up here, it would have been a little bit supportive potentially and kept us in that range. We did get above 604, and that was a little bit supportive as well, as we saw that. 601 climbed up with it, 602 as well, giving us a little bit of that supportive lower levels, moving up, giving us that supportive information. Now, if we go back to our aggregate, we can see once again, upper levels pulling upwards is bullish towards that level. So we see that 610 and then the lower as well. So a really simple look at what we're looking at here is if we see lower levels pulling, especially when we're looking towards our dailies right here, we can go ahead and jump to tomorrow, even though that is not live and it will change, right? We could take a look at this. We can see, so 601 will be a little bit supportive, and then we have 604 pulling up towards price right there as we go along, and then we see 605 starting to work its way up as well. And then 590s trapped down here. Fridays are always a little bit skewed. We talk about that in our pre-market prep, so keep an eye there as that changes. But you get to watch this change live throughout the day and see what moves up and down. Very simple look. Hopefully, this helps demystify a little bit and give you a good idea if you're trading SPY on a day-to-day basis and you're looking for that quick information when you're keeping an eye on this and that 0-day gamma. You can get a really good idea of what might change. Today, we absolutely melted down to that 603 that we looked at just a few seconds ago because it continued to pull down for us, and then we ripped back upwards as we went along. So before we go, we will jump into Discord really quick. For those on the move, I know I am quite frequently in your server if they have the bots, or if you're in the trading server and you're going through our channels. Our bots algo channel is a quick way to pull that, and I'm just going to show you that real quick. Type in / whale targets, type in a symbol, and you can take a look, and it will go ahead and print that for you. So it's going to show you your whale targets really quick. And then you can go through and you can check the gamma as well if you want. I always like to check both just to see what each one looks like. So for a quick on the move, folks, don't forget, you can always pull this quick information in the Discord as well. And if you're sitting at night, you could do your homework and take a look and kind of dig deeper into some other tickers as you go along. But do not sleep on the bots. They are fast, they are easy, they are accurate, they give the same information, and you get a good chance to see what's happening while you're on the move. All right, that is all for now. Everybody have a good day and stay safe out there.